Hello everyone. Today I will present our research title Arduino Uno based microcontroller model kit design for automation and automatic control practicum in the food engineering technology laboratory. First, I will introduce myself. Hello, my name is Arengga Putra Christian and NIM 250913870579. Uh, Research point. This research has four main objectives. First, to design Arduino Uno based microcontroller model kits with various programs to support practicum activities. Second, to compile modules and instructions for using these model kits. Third, to facilitate teaching staff in conducting practicum assistant. 4. To improve laboratory competence and staff to support the three dharma of higher education. Now, let me explain our methodology. For those, we use a PC or laptop with minimum 16GHz processor and 2 GB RAM. Arduino Uno boards with Atmega 328 breadboards, USB cables, and jumper wires. For materials, we use Arduino IDE software, electronic components such as LED resistor of 220, 10 key and 1 key ohms, potentiometers, buzzers, push buttons, and a 6 times 2 LCD display. We also use various sensors include DHT11 for temperature and humidity, LM357 and LDR water level sensor and flame sensor. Our procedure consisted of four steps: data collection through interviews and literature study, hardware design using a 9-volt battery, and Arduino Uno programming with Arduino IDE using C++ language, followed by compiling and uploading, and finally creating a guidebook covering installation, assembly, programming, and troubleshooting. Key findings. Our research produced 30 simple Arduino projects. Here are some of the basic projects we developed. We created a single LED project to teach blinking patterns, a traffic light simulation using RGB LED, potentiometer control for adjusting LED brightness, and push button control for turning LED on and off. The key achievement of our research is the successful completion of the Arduino Uno based microcontroller Mi model kit. We successfully developed 30 simple projects that can be used for practicum purpose. This project range from basic to advanced levels, allowing students to learn progressively. Conclusion and implication. Based on our findings, we have two main suggestions for future development. First, we recommend further developing this simple project to be applied within the actual laboratory environment. Second, here are some practical laboratory applications: creating warmers for equipment and material storage cabinets, making fire alarm systems, and developing other laboratory automation applications such as smoke detectors and temperature control system. Reflection. To conclude, let me share our reflection on this research. This research successfully addressed the critical problem of unavailable automation practicum facilities by developing 30 Arduino Uno model kits. These kits are supported by our comprehensive guidebook and 30 tutorial videos to facilitate student learning. The project serves dual purpose. They support educational objective for fourth system students, and they offer practical laboratory applications such as fire alarms and temperature control system. This open source and cost-effective work support higher education's three dharma of education, research, and community service. It also provides a replicable model that can be adopted by other institutions facing similar challenges and in automation education.